I'm live on YouTube, live on Twitch. It's time to get the party started. I'm about to do the LeetCode daily, and then I'm gonna do some of my web dev, my website. Try to make it responsive today. Hopefully it's not too crazy to do that. And maybe I'll make some scripts so that I can deploy my website a little bit easier. Right now I have to run a bunch of commands and then do a bunch of things. I'm just trying to make a script to do all that. So, where do I begin? LeetCode daily. Let me get LeetCode up. Let's see what we got today, man. Maximum ascending subarray sum. Easy problem. 1800. Number 1800. Given an array of positive integers nums, return the maximum possible sum of an ascending subarray in nums. Yeah, easy, hopefully. A subarray is ascending for all I, where I is within L and R. And nums I is less than nums I plus 1. Note that a subarray of size 1 is ascending. Alright, so they just want to know the maximum subarray sum. How do we do this, man? I guess I'll just keep a streak and a sum. Bet? Icy Black Deep, what's happening? Bet? Nah, we can't do a bet so early on. We have to wait until the stream is in full force. You know, right now there isn't enough money to go around to bet. But I think I can do this. I'd probably do something like I keep track of a sum, and it's only positive integers, so right? Zell 147, how you doing? Welcome to the party. Yeah, so let's see. Positive numbers only. You doing fine? Yeah, I'm doing fine too, man. I'm a little bit lazy today because it's on Monday. I don't feel like to do anything. I wouldn't say I was extremely productive today at work, man. Hard to get started on Mondays sometimes. But here I am, doing LeetCode and then web dev. Alright, so what was I doing? I was trying to just iterate through. Maybe I'll start from maybe I'll start from 1. Maybe I'll make the sum equal to the first element. Start at 1. And then I'll check if it's increasing. So it says if nums I is less than nums I plus 1. So that means, what does that mean if I flip that? If the current nums I is less than or equal to nums I minus 1, that means it's no longer increasing, right? It's no longer ascending, right? Am I overcomplicating this problem? It's supposed to be an easy. What's the answer they're looking for? The sum, right? Can we overflow? No, it's only 100 numbers. If this was a contest, I would have just n squared it, but I guess it's not a contest, so let me try to not n square it. But sometimes maybe I should just n square it, man. I spent part of my day doing some LeetCodes. Oh, need more chai. What's happening? I haven't spent any part of my day doing LeetCode. I pretty much only LeetCode on stream. League of Lego Boy 99. What's happening? What about after we finish the code? Begin scrape the code? Cause all the problems? What you talking about? Do Swedes in the industry usually spend their career specializing in a particular tech stack or part of the SDLC? I don't really know how to build something end to end. Is that accurate? I don't know. I guess there's so many different types of Swedes in the industry, so it's hard to just generalize everybody. Q Ultimus, how are you doing, man? What's happening? Welcome to the party. But I'd say most of my coworkers don't work on side projects, man. Most of my coworkers just do engineering at work, and that's it. They don't even think about code. They're not like keeping up with tech news or anything like that, man. They don't care about programming once they get off work. That's, I'd say 9 out of 10 of my coworkers are like that. I think I've done this problem before, but I can't remember how to do it. Isihogo, what's happening? You can do this problem. You can brute force this problem. So I think you can do it. I think most of my free time is tech related. Wait, everything that's not a web app is end to end. What do you mean? Is it? Maybe. I guess, like, alright, I work at Google, and at work, I don't build anything. I build just a small part of a really large system. So I've never really built like something that does something complicated end to end, you know. But I've built things that are like standalone libraries, but they integrate with like a bunch of different shit, man. So I don't know. I built my website, which is full stack, I'd say. I'm about to work on it. Anyways, let me do this problem real quick. So what the hell am I doing, man? I'm trying to figure out what the highest, so this one they're saying 510. All right, so I'm gonna say if, all right, what was this? This is not ascending. So then I wanna reset my sum. And then here, I guess, it is ascending, so I want to increment or add to my sum. Is that, am I thinking right? And then I keep the max right here. Don't defense is in the house. The type racer. All right, let's do type racer real quick, but should I submit? Please bet. Wait, one shot? Man, I've already pressed run. We can't one shot. I mean, I guess we can. You guys want me to bet? Will this pass? And then we'll bet on the type racer. I've already pressed run, so at least it compiles. And it passes the test cases. All right, here we go. It's very easy. Yeah, it's super easy to run this code, man. That's why I don't really want to bet. Will this get accepted? Yes or no? I'll give you 1 minute to decide, man. Yeah, but maybe I have a typo somewhere else or something, or there's some edge case. But 1 minute only to decide yes or no, will this pass? Dang, $20,000. That's a lot of money to bet. That is a lot of money to bet for not so much reward. Q says he's not betting in it. Man, Q, If you even throw a couple bucks on no. Oh shit, I'm covering my code. My bad. People gonna cheat? Yeah, that's why. That's why I don't have 2 minutes there. It's only a couple minutes. And that's it. The bets are closed. Here we go. And then we'll make another bet for a type racer. Did it work? Easy work, man. We could bet before it started. Probably you cheated. Man, I expect nothing more than don't defense to win at any cost, you know. Anyways, it got accepted. Anyways, what's next? What's next? Alright, so I gotta be careful with those bets because people just gonna screenshot my code, man. Wait, what were, oh, a type racer, that's what we're doing. I forgot. My mind went blank, man. Hold on, let me just set up my YouTube chat because I forgot to bring it up. Oh, Banana Butcher from YouTube, what's happening? Sorry, I missed your message. Oh, don't forget to post my daily solution. You're right. Thank you very much. I almost forgot, man. I was just about to continue on with my day. It's like February, and I'm already breaking my New Year's resolution. Alright, here we go. How do I share it? You should do the bet at the start, then people like me cannot cheat. Yeah, usually that's how I do it. I usually just bet, can I one-shot this problem? AI really has ruined everything. Maybe temporarily some things get disrupted, but in the long run, I think people will find creative ways to, you know, not have AI ruin everything. It's either that or it's gonna be Terminator 2 real soon. Or I don't even watch Terminator 1, so I don't know what that was about, man. I only watched Terminator 2 and I haven't seen any other Terminator. Terminator 3, who knows? Terminator 4? I don't even know if there's a 4. But I've seen Terminator 2 at least 15 times, 20 times. Anyways, let me post a solution and get on with my life. Alright, what's the intuition? Since the numbers are only positive, well, what was I gonna say? I don't even know what my intuition is, man. Just reset the running sum. Wait, that doesn't... The numbers being positive doesn't really affect that, does it? Huh? I'm gonna say just reset the running sum anytime there is a non-ascending number. Keep track of best sum at every iteration. That's it, right? Time complexity is O(n). Abhilash from YouTube, how are you doing? Hello, I'm from India, brother. Can you please guide me or suggest me how should I start learning data structures algorithms? How can I able to reach your level? So if you're just starting out, hopefully you know how to program before you come into trying learning these algorithms. I think there's tons of resources for you to get started. If you haven't run into any of these resources yet, then I don't think you really tried to look up anything on your own. But find one of these lists that break down problems into categories and just tackle each category. That would be my advice to you. But the real advice, because you already know that's what you got to do, the real advice is you're not going to get good unless you show up, man. So I think you really need to take your training seriously. Schedule a time where you show up every day for training. Treat it very seriously, man. Think of it, if you don't show up to this, a shark is gonna bite your leg off, you know. So just show up to the training every day, and I promise you in a few months you're gonna be approaching my level. Maybe like 6 months of training, you'll start to see major improvements. That's what you gotta do, man. Anyways, let me finish writing this out. But yeah, if you also just watch my stream, I only stream 3 times a week, but I'm sure you'll get good by doing that too. All right, time complexity, it's ON. Space complexity, constant space, O1. Should I explain why it is? We only iterate over nums one time. That's why it's that. And space complexity, we only need to keep track of sum and ants regardless of how big the size of nums is. All right, there we go. That's my solution. What's the title? It is ON reset on non-ascending number. There we go. So there is my daily solution that I don't post every day. Need more emoji? Yeah, maybe the emojis are too played out these days, man. That one, wait, hold up. Since everyone's doing emojis, that's when you gotta stop doing the emojis. When no one's doing them, that's when you do them until it gets too much, you know. All right, YouTube, there's my solution in case you wanna upvote that or check out the code yourself. All right, what's next, man? Is it time for web dev? Rocket checkmark stonk emoji. Oh yeah, type racer bet. Thank you very much. Thank you. Speaking of stock emojis, man, what do y'all know about? What do you guys know about this, man? I know some of you guys got Palantir in here. You guys like that? 23%. Oh shit. That's bumping, man. If you got this stock, you're rich. Rich, I'm telling you, man. You talking about stonks? And you know, tomorrow, well, I guess I shouldn't be really talking about this at all. But tomorrow is Google earnings. And that's all. I ain't saying nothing. They announced earnings. Yeah, tonight was Palantir's earnings, and crazy, 22%. And everybody always talking about how they're overvalued. I mean, maybe they're even more overvalued, but still. Insider trading? Nah, none of that stuff. Anyways, Nvidia, yeah, it's earnings seasons, man. It's lots of earnings coming out. Last week was Meta or something, maybe Microsoft. I don't even really know. Anyways, what is the type racer bet, man? Who's here for type racer? Let's get to it really quick. Should I raise Q? I can't beat Q these days, man. All right, me versus Q. I don't buy stocks, I only lose money on options. Over under 75. What does that mean? 2v2. All right, I got one. Oh, don't defend. All right, that's a good one, Q. I like it. I like it. Let's do that. So Q plus don't defense. Making bets too hard? No, we have to do doubles sometimes. So Simon plus no condom Chris greater than or equal to Q plus don't defense. That is the bet that we're about to do in this type racer. It's going to be a 2v2, but anybody can join. Yeah, we get the greater than equal to for sure. For sure. There's the bet. No condom Chris putting some money down. And Q plus don't defense. Hopefully don't defense is around, man. He's the one who redeemed the dang type racer. And if he's not around, then this bet doesn't mean anything. All right, here we go. Let me send the link to the Discord. To YouTube. And to Twitch. And if don't defense doesn't show up, the bet gets canceled. Alright, join the race. Here we go. There's Q. There's me. Castle Bear in the house. What's happening, Castle Bear? Six Pack Sexy, aka No Condom Chris. Icy Black Deep. Clistars in the house. Alright, this is the warm-up. I don't know if don't defense is here to race, unfortunately. Man, horrible. Horrible. Lil Freezy is in the house. What's happening, Lil Freezy? Alright, don't defense isn't here. So that means the bet gets cancelled. Unless he makes a dramatic last minute show. Alright, Lil Freezy did not miss it, man. There's a championship round of type racer still coming up right now. We had a bet going on, but one of the contestants is a no-show. Did not show up to the racetrack, so we're gonna cancel the bet and we're just gonna race for bragging rights. Here we go. Should refund the redeem? Nah. He redeemed it and then he left. Here we go. Championship race. Man, I messed up so much right there. I should have been 130 miles per hour. Six Pack Sexy, aka No Condom Chris, 110 miles per hour. We could have had the W. Yeah, well, we don't know how don't defense would have been. If don't defense got like 117, you know. We could have had the W, man, but it's all good. We'll have another chance to do that bet. So Six Pack Sexy with 110 miles per hour, back-to-back championships. Look at that, man. It's crazy. No condom Chris with 110 miles per hour with the back-to-back championships. Very, very nice. All right, what's next? What's next? It's gonna be web dev. So right now, this is the website. It's okay. I think it's coming together slowly but surely. I don't even know if this is the right thing to work on, but I just want to make it responsive because it looks bad when it's not. No Ajax to get a list of existing champions on the entry form? What you talking about, man? What is an Ajax? That's like bleach. It's like a cleaner. But what do you mean, man? Get a list of existing champions? Anyways. Oh, don't defense shows up late to the party. This bet gets returned. It didn't happen. It's okay. We'll have another chance, man. Anyways. How do you do... How do I dock this elsewhere? Yeah. Alright, I'm trying to make everything kind of responsive here. So anytime I go on my website on my phone, it looks all messed up, man. So that's what we're trying to fix. Hopefully it's not too hard to do this. Alright, man. So VS Code. Let's get started. npm run dev. What else do we need? We need the React junk. npm run dev. Are you using Tailwind? I am using Tailwind, little freezy. And that doesn't mean I know how to use Tailwind. The only thing I kind of know how to do is change the color of text because I've done that a bunch. But everything else, I don't really know how to do. People in the chat just kind of tell me what to type, and I type it, and then it works. Alright, so today I guess it's mainly going to be front-end work, so I'm just going to be working in this Midnight Simon remix folder. And maybe let's just start with the main page with the styles for that. So I think this is my main page. I just have my banner and the board, really. It's a lot easier to do mobile first with it, then slap medium large for desktop styles. Well, can't go back in time, man. We already started with the desktop first. Alright, let me try and hit this up. See if it works. Alright, here we go, here we go. I'm gonna do the same thing. First things first, I think we gotta make this text a bit smaller, or we gotta figure out, yeah, we gotta figure out how we can make it not scroll like that. I don't know where that's coming from. How do you figure that out? Can I just comment out stuff? Yeah, it's coming from that banner thing for sure. So let me see what I can try and do here to fix that. Class name banner. What do I do, man? Is it just... Do I change... Wait. already commented out. Let me put it back in. Is it my text that's causing it to scroll? Yeah, maybe. Maybe it's the midnight. So, time to ask ChatGPT now that I have an idea. Because I don't know anything, man. Or Claude or whatever. So, make me a H1 HTML H1 element be responsive for desktop and mobile using Tailwind CSS. Let me see if it can just tell me what to do real quick. So we just want these things. That's how it works. That's what you're talking about, little Freezy. Medium, large, extra large. All right, let's see what's up then. I don't know if that did anything, man. Should I take out this main title? Is that my CSS class? Where did that main title come from? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know where main title is from, but it ain't there. All right, we gotta figure out. Wait, your class was glitch text? What are you talking about? Oh, that's my ID, man. Hold on, Jesus Christ. Come on now. Anyways, it still looks messed up though. But at least it doesn't scroll anymore. So that's put it inside the class name. Yeah. Blue screen. What's happening? It's worse. Is it worse? It's a little bit worse. Well, what the hell is this? PY0. Oh, padding Y0. And then that's just the text color when I'm online. All right, so clearly it's not detecting small here. But it should be detected as small. So I don't know what the hell, man. CSS, how the hell do you do it? All right, what? So it doesn't have anything. Wait, you might target. Wait, hold up, what? Git push. You might target the A tag itself with the font size. Oh, you're right. You're right, man. Because the text, or maybe even the span. No. The A. I'm gonna hit it with the A. I don't even know, but I'll try it. So I hit this with the class name. Jesus Christ, look at that. It kind of works. But now everything's messed up. Do I have to hit these with it too? I don't even know. Well, this is already feels like it's getting messy. This is a lot harder than I thought it would be. Uh-oh. it ain't good. The glitch class animations transform is not designed for mobile. Yeah, it seems so. You need to set a media query for the glitch class. Oh man, that is a lot of work, huh? Oh, are you saying? What are you saying? I didn't come up with this myself, so I don't know how to update it, you know? But if you know, this is not good for mobile. All right, how do you... Dang, little Freezy, you know what's up, huh? Change a transform? What do you mean? All right, how do the media queries work? Little Freezy's AI? Yeah, it seems so. Oh, wait. Is that true? Or did I mess up? No, everything looks all right. All right, how can I see what the hell? This one is one of the spans. I'm gonna change the name. All right, it's this one. This one is acting up. It's not from that, huh? The height of the H1 is huge. The height is huge. Hold on. Where? Let me see. Where would my styles be? What the hell is that main title thing, you know? The position of the glitch is weird, but it shouldn't be. Control P? Ryan from YouTube, what's happening? Control P. Anyways. Let me think. Is this... Should I just... Maybe I should just ditch the glitching effect on mobile. Or... Let me think. Let me do some experimenting real quick. Because I don't know what's going on. Been trying to ditch that for years? Nah. Oh, Jesus. So now it's really tripping. Oh. So that 3XL text is actually not that big. So everything is the right size here. Right? So these aren't triggering, is what they're saying? These don't make a difference? I don't know what I'm doing, clearly. This top one just doesn't even work anymore. How do I turn this stuff off? Even in regular thing. So So let me think for a second. I don't know what I'm looking for, but hear me out. Slap a flex on H1. That's what you think? Font size? I don't know what a rem is. Huh. Interesting. It's glitching. Alright, maybe I'll keep like font weights. Alright. Now maybe I'll put back in the rest of the junk. Did I fix it, man? Wait, let me check. Maybe I fixed it, but now I have to like redesign some things. Anyways, keep glitch as it was and flex the H1. All right, let me see what you're talking about. Wait, how was it? I don't remember. So put that in and then hit them with the flex. That is glitchy. How does that work? It's like even more glitchy. Ember After Dark. How are you doing? REM root EM. So it's relative to the root elements. Interesting. I don't even know what EM means, but now I know REM means root EM. Flexbox is voodoo. Yeah, it's like glitching out insane now. More than before, you know? It was moving one of the glitch spans up to the top of the container. So it's just moving everything to the top, is what you're saying? Alright, anyways. We still got a lot of work to do, man. That was just the title that we modified. So we got iPhone 14 Pro Max. Alright, we got some things to do for sure. I think I need some padding or some, yeah, I think I need some padding in that thing. I'm gonna add a little bit, I guess instead of PY0, let's try like a PY6. Is that good? No, that ain't good, man. Oh shit, I messed up everything now. Wait, maybe I still, no, that's the wrong thing. Maybe I hit them with a PY6 here. Yeah, or maybe a little bit less than 6. Maybe like a 3. Is there a 3? Yeah, I think so. Alright, what's next? Maybe let's make that other LeetCode streamer's text a little bit smaller. Right? Alright, where's that coming from, man? I don't know where it's coming from. Streamers. Other LeetCode streamers right here. Should I just hit them with that? Nah, that ain't it, man. It ain't it. Wait, what is small, medium, large? Okay, small is 640. Medium is 768. What would an iPhone be? Or a regular phone or something. 430. Dang. It's Tommy's son. What's happened? I hate web devs so much. Well, Merlin Pinpin from YouTube says, why learning coding? It's useless. Yeah, maybe it is, man. But it occupies my time. Alright. How are we gonna make this small? Should we give it a regular size? What are the text sizes? Maybe I'll just try XL and see what's up. Chair sniffers. What's happening? Are you a coder at work too? Yeah, I am a coder. But I'm not a front-end dev, so I don't know what I'm doing right now. Oh, shit. YouTube is bumping off. Krypton, what's happening, man? Thank you. Happy Monday to you. Remy231, how you doing from YouTube? Yeah, ChatGPT could build Amazon in 5 minutes. Don't learn to code. Yeah. React is easy. Yeah, but I don't know it, so. Is React hard to learn if you already know JS? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Anyways, so people who think AI is replacing coders is crazy. Is it? Anyways, I'd like to think that I can't be replaced easily by AI. Otherwise, we're in trouble, man. I gotta figure out how to make money. But I think I got a few years at least before that happens. Anyways, we're trying to make... Alright. I'm trying to make my dang thing a bit more responsive. So, we need to get these numbers right. And I just added a bunch of shit to this stuff, but it's not looking too good here. Maybe it's picking up this text, the small, so it's picking up text for XL. I'm gonna just try some things. Where's that text coming from, man? Why is it so large? Alright, it must have been coming from this large. So it's saying minimum width 1024, but I shouldn't be hit. Oh wait, maybe in that case I should be, but this one definitely not, because this is 430. So let me see some things. This should be picking up with the small, right? The small is at 640. So I'm gonna just put like something crazy just to make sure it's... Did that change? I don't know if that changed, man. How hard is Tailwind? I'm thinking about building a project with TypeScript, React, and Tailwind since I've never used TypeScript or Tailwind before. I think you just gotta use it. It's not too hard to understand what's going on. It's just a bunch of class names that you're using instead of trying to like create your own classes. And then each class name is supposed to be like a building block, and then you use all these things to make what you want to make. So I think the hardest part is probably knowing what building blocks are there for you, and maybe you'll just kind of get used to it the more you use it. So I haven't really been using Tailwind too much, so I have to like look up everything. All right. So what was I doing? Oh, use background color to instead to check if the media queries work. All right, how do I do the background color, man? Or a text color or something? Hold on. Oh, head tennis. Wait, how come I didn't hear nothing, man? Head tennis. Thank you very much for the raid. How you doing? Welcome to the party. I'm doing some web dev. Usually you know me for doing LeetCode, but today I'm trying to build out my website a little bit more. I'm trying to make everything responsive, but I've never done any type of responsive development in my whole life. So it's really just me trying a bunch of shit and seeing what sticks. Where are my teeth? How are you doing? How am I tonight? Tonight's alright, man. Just chilling. Old horse Steve. Web dev is my first love. Crazy. Ryan from YouTube. Alright, let me try that. Background color. Even though it's text, it will. I'm gonna do it anyways. But I don't know. Oh shit. It's not a text, it's a div. So he's saying this one isn't being picked up. Let me try medium. That one. Let me just try see if that thing works. That background color thing doesn't work. Oh, because he gave me the wrong commands, man. Alright, there we go, there we go. So that's defaults right there. Let me take it out and then I'm gonna put it in these small things. The media queries. So it ain't that one. It ain't that one. How come these media queries ain't working? Is it because I'm in dev mode or something and then it knows my browser size? Or is it just tripping, man? To fix the glitch being crazier looking on mobile, you need to define a new keyframes for mobile and make the measurement of the text shadow smaller, tighter. Dang. Yeah, I'm gonna. That seems like a lot of work for sure, Little Freeze. I'm gonna just leave it like that. All right. How come these media queries aren't working for this div? Are they being overwritten? Is it because I should put these queries towards the end of the class name and it's being like it gets overwritten by later classes? That's a theory. I'm not sure if it's true, but I'm gonna try some stuff out. It's probably not true. Change the window size, not the viewport, so it won't work. So yeah, but my viewport, it's saying these dimensions up here. I don't know if it's too small to see, but that says 430 width. And it's still not picking up. It's saying, no, that's not it. Click dimensions. Yeah, I mean, unless they're giving me some bogus dimensions. So you're saying I can see where it... Oh, I see, I see. So this is the true... These dimensions here don't mean shit. They're just lying to me is what you're saying. And then I gotta just use... I just gotta do this thing. Or is... I don't know. Why would they have... Maybe these are just old. Yeah. But if it's saying 430, does that... Maybe small isn't the right thing to pick that up? Wait, how do these media query things work? Hold on, where was I? I was somewhere over here. So this says minimum width. Oh, so is there something smaller than small? Is there like... super small, extra small. Tailwind is mobile first. Wait, Little Freezy, what were you saying earlier? Like, oh, like I just put the class name there without specifying small, medium, whatever. And then it, snap. I see. So if I just put one without the media query stuff, then that's the default for mobile. That's what you're saying. And then use the other things for the bigger screens. Oh, it all makes sense. Anyways, I didn't know what, I mean, I knew what you're talking about, but I didn't know that's what you meant, Little Freezy. Alright, so we learned something. Because I don't know anything, so it's easy to learn something when you don't know nothing. Alright. Now that I see that's how it works, I don't remember what I was trying to do. I think, oh yeah, I was trying to make, alright, so you're saying I should design, I just make the default look good on mobile. And then I build it out how it used to be for my desktop. I see. All right, I'm gonna do that. All right. Let me drink some water, man. Stressing me out, this web dev stuff. I'm a C++ infrastructure programmer in my job. So very far away from web dev, but I have done some React Native apps in the past, in the way past. I'm talking like 2017 past, which is, dang, 8 years ago now. And then maybe in 2020 as well. So that's like 5 years, 8 years ago and 5 years ago. And that's the extent of my React knowledge. All right, so here we go. What I'm trying to do here is I'm just going to design for mobile first, and then I'll add in the larger styles. Norwegian Oiler in the house. How you doing? Oh, it's a lot of work, man. When you do subs, get a Honda emote? What? Nah. Alright. So, I'm gonna take out these media queries because they're just experimental stuff. And then... Alright. So, man, that's a lot of work to put all those class names. Basically, I just put like small in front of everything. Let me think. So, all right, I want my thing to be a little bit bigger than that, I suppose. Wait, how can we put Twitch TV URL, but we don't think about YouTube and TikTok URL? What you talking about? Twitch URL, YouTube, or like other streamers on YouTube and TikTok? Because I don't know any. I'm mainly a Twitch streamer. I suppose I'm a YouTube streamer also, but I'm not a very good YouTube streamer. Does Tailwind use a lot of inline styling? Yeah, I guess it does. Set it to responsive. Yeah. Dang. Are these old? I missed these messages, my bad. By default, Tailwind uses mobile first. Right. Alright. I had to restart my website because of Tailwind's mobile first approach. I see. I'm about to do that right now, man. What good thing I'm not too far with my styles. Crash Systems, how you doing? Welcome to the party. Is a responsive website one of those websites where it initially loads, then once it detects you're trying, no. Responsive means that it changes its layout based on the device you're viewing it from. So if you're viewing it from your browser, it looks one way, and then if you're viewing it on your phone, it looks differently. So like right now, if I go on my phone and I look at my website, it's all messed up, man. Especially the names down here. So I'm just trying to fix that here. I think overall it's not too bad on the phone. The main thing I want to fix was my name being crazy big and clipping and warping or wrapping or whatever. The second thing is all the subscriber names down here are overlapping. So those are like the major things I want to fix on the front page. On the type racer page, there's a whole bunch of other stuff to fix, but it shouldn't be too crazy, I think. Maybe this topics page, try and get these to just be one continuous list or something. All right. So I'm just gonna focus on the subscribers' names next because I think that's the biggest bang for our buck. Lock94, how you doing? Let's whack it into Chat GPT. Yeah. All right. How you doing, Lock? What was I doing? The supporters board, which is here. And then where are my names at? These things. Wait, how? Oh, that's one supporter. Let me think. Right here. This is what I want. This. Let me think. Is this the board? I don't even know what I'm looking at, man. Oh, that's the years. This is the actual board. Hope you are well. Yeah, I'm chilling. For things like font size, you can find the size on the Tailwind docs that match your current font size and do something like MD text size for desktop and whatever for phone. Don't necessarily need all the media queries, in my opinion. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna change what's broken. I'm not gonna like overdo it right now. So I'm just trying to change maybe this grid calls 3. That's probably for like, otherwise maybe grid calls 2. Let me see how that looks on mobile. Still looks a little bit, maybe 1. Then it's just one person. Oh, that looks alright, I guess. It can work. But some people's names are too long and they look weird, but I'll probably just deal with that. I have a feeling this is gonna start overflowing next year. So do I deal with that problem next year, or do I try and deal with it now, you know? Or if I ever added the subscribers from 2021, the year I started streaming, it would probably not work. Anyways, I'll just leave it for now. Is that what you call tech debt? I don't know what tech debt means. Something I'm gonna have to deal with in the future, huh? Alright, are we done? Did I just fix my site? Oh yeah, the type racer section. Let me go over there. Wait, let me see. First, let me look how it looks regular. Alright, so everything looks normal. Yeah. And then type racer time. So Type Racer. Where the hell is it? Let's look at this style. Max screen. Do I want that? What does that do? All right, so that is 1/2. Hold on. Let me. Where's that the root or the type racer thing? Is it under the routes or the? Yeah, maybe this thing. So display stats. All right, so that's all champs, and this is most wins, and then it's in a flex row. That's not what I need for mobile. Maybe I'll do like should I just do that? See how that. All right, so that's regular. This looks weird still though. Wait, flex call, med flex row. Think I should hit them with the medium? All right, I want to put, how can I reverse Tailwind reverse flex order so that like the first thing reverse? I'm gonna try that. Because I want, man, that's so much to scroll. I gotta fix those dates. Yeah, I want the most wins and stuff at the top when it's mobile. All right, let me, man, where did I put that dang background thing in? I gotta take that out. All champs, maybe this thing. Take that out, man. All right, it's starting to look like something now. Let me fix those dates on mobile. So, where would that be? Right here. Let me think. What do y'all think? How to reduce that date on mobile? Should I ask ChatGPT? Or is there something where I can display, like maybe not even display it? Or no? I feel like there's some space over here on the right side that's not being used, and that I could make that like on mobile, like this screen could be bigger. What does table also do? Who knows? Pat's Hello World is in the house with the Type Racer Redeem. You trying to race right now, Pat? I'm ready. All right, let's do it real quick. Type Racer. You wanna do a bet? I'll do a little bet, man. Me versus Pat's Hello World. Who's gonna win? 2 minutes to decide. The first race is the warm-up. The second race is the championship round. All right, here's the racetrack. YouTube. There's a link. Twitch. There's a link. And let me post it in my Discord. All right. Remember, first race warm-up, second race championship round, and we got a bet going on. Who's gonna win, me or Pat's Hello World? Place your bets right now. Dang, Pat is confident tonight. Let's see how it goes. Don't defense is here this time. Icy Black Deep, what's happening? Q, I see you. But where's Pat? Pat's down here and a bunch of guests. Too long, man. Cool 100. Q with the 109 in the warm-up round. Alright, championship round is coming up, man. Type Racer Championships. You already know. Man, everybody just gave up? Or what? Alright. Championship round in 5 seconds. Yeah, that was a bit too long for a warm-up. Look at all these people. Gave up halfway through, man. Go Haku, what's happened? Finished third. Dang, 85. Not bad. That's a long passage. You beat Pat. Pat's pretty fast. So many apostrophes, yeah. Alright, championship round. Who's gonna win? Me or Pat's Hello World? Let's find out. Real quick. Could be anybody, man. Man, that was really difficult. Dang. 96. We got a double-digit Type Racer champ. Q with a 94. Clistar with an 87. Very nice. Pat's Hello World, 82. Crash and Burn. Icy Black Deep, 70. And Guest with a 63. Dang, my keys got stuck. Uh-huh. That's what they all say, Go Haku. Alright. Dang, don't defense. Broke. Alright, who won that? I won that. Easy money. Orion PT, Clistar, Q Ultimus. Easy money. Don't defense, just giving away money recently. Pat's Hello World, 420. Very nice. How do we change name? Change name? What do you mean? Alright, that's it for Type Racer. It's back to web dev. It's always guest. Oh, you gotta register, man. You gotta like sign up for a Type Racer account. Yeah, that's the only way to change from guest. Alright, man. What were we trying to do? We're trying to fix these things for mobile. So I guess All right, I'd like to put maybe format Unix timestamp. Dang, what the hell is this? This is a chat GPT thing right here, man. All right, I'm gonna tell chat GPT to give me a new function. Write me a JavaScript, TypeScript. What is this? TypeScript function that takes in a timestamp as a number, then returns a string formatted with the dates like this. January, I don't know how to spell January. December 25th, 2024 would, wait, a timestamp, wait, a timestamp for that date would look like 12/25/2024, maybe. All right, let me see what ChatGPT says. Yeah, that's what I want right there. That looks good. LGTM, man. How do you do this? Do I have to export this function or something like that? And I'll call this format timestamp. I don't know what to call this format. Dates, numbers. What do you call that style, man? Let me ask ChatGPT. What do you call this style of dates? MMDDYY. I'm gonna just say MMDDYY. Wait, YYYY. How about that? And then, where do I have that, man? It's in the type racer board, all champs, right here, format. Let's try that. Why wrap things with string? Doesn't pad return a string? Who knows? I didn't do that. ChatGPT did that. All right, let me see how that works. Oh yeah. Oh, but those dates are not right, man. None of those dates are looking good. Besides the dates, yeah, dates ain't, man. ChatGPT let me down, man. Those timestamps are just 0? Are you sure? Yeah, maybe. Wait, let me see what the hell, how did that happen? It ain't true. Oh, I gotta times it by 1,000. How do you like Remix overall? I think it's alright. I don't think I'm using it properly though. I'm using it like a really bootleg way. But I made it work for what I'm trying to do. Alright, what else can we do? I think I want this number to not be there so bold. Let me try and get that different. What page was I on? Type Racer, all chaps. That's where I was, right? Yeah, this number, man. I'm gonna give it a special font. That's wait. First of all, I want it to be gray. Text color? How do you change font color? Color? I gotta look up everything. Tailwind text color. Text gray or something. Text. Alright, I'd like to make that date is a little bit bold. Maybe should I make the date text gray too? Maybe I can make the font weight not down with the ISO 8601 dates. What is that, man? You always coming here with all these regulations, Icy Black Deep. What is this regulation? Oh, you want me to hit them that way? All right, I like that. That seems good, because as I was doing that, I was thinking, you know, this is only American dates. It might be confusing for international viewers to look at that. Yeah, so let me fix that. In this function, we'll return. Well, first, I suppose we'll call it year, 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 month, month, day, day, right? So we hit them with the year, then we hit them with the month, then we hit them with the day. And then I want this text to be different. How can I set text in Tailwind? Text font family. Should I hit them with the font sans? What is that? Uh-oh. Don't worry. We're back. What if this confuses your American viewers? No, American viewers know what's up with this. Especially it's in chronological order, so you guys can figure it out. Alright. I don't know if this font sans thing is working. I'm gonna try a different one. Yeah, that works. Alright, how do I change my font weight? I want it to be like light. Font thin. That's what I want, man. Real thin. Oh, that's looking alright now. I'm gonna do the same thing to the date. I don't know about the color, but I'll leave it there for now. Doesn't look the best. I'm not gonna lie. But I don't know what else to do. Maybe I should try a different font family. I don't feel like to import new fonts, you know, so I'm kind of being lazy. Font family. What do we got, man? Maybe I'll hit them with the font sans, but extra light, you know, or thin. Oh, that's too thin, man. That's a little bit too thin. Should I just leave it? I think I'm wasting time on this now. It's good enough. Alright, I'm gonna put some margin in between these two things. So, where can I do that? Probably like right here. And margin Y, I don't know, give it like 2. Am I a hacker? I am not a hacker. I'm just a programmer, man. Is that good enough? Let me see how it looks up here. Maybe I'm gonna remove the boldness. I think the names being bold is a little bit much. Wait. Let me see what options I had there. I had like normal, lights, extra light. I'm gonna try normal. I don't know what normal looks like. Yeah, normal's alright. For now. Retired hacker? Nah. Never been a hacker. The only thing I hacked was Game Genie or something. But I just had to put my cartridge in there. I honestly think you're doing more than most at this point. What? A lot of sides literally just ignore the mobile side of things. I just, you know, when I'm at work or whenever, sometimes I go onto my own website for no reason, and I hate to see it look so ugly, man. It just makes me look bad, you know? So that's why I'm really fixing this. I just want to not look that bad. Alright, what's next? Type racers looking okay. Homepage, I think we can work on the title. Maybe we can make it a little bit bigger. Alright, now that I know how the Tailwind junk works, I think I can make, yeah. Maybe I hit them with the 4XL immediately and see how that looks. Nervix, how you doing? I'm gonna hit them with the 5XL. Oh yeah. Alright, but what if we don't have an iPhone 14 Pro Max? What if we only have an iPhone SE? It's looking real bad on the iPhone SE, man. Jeez. Do I care what it looks like on an iPhone SE though? Man, if you got an iPhone SE, you gotta get a new phone. Nah, I'll try and fix it. You can't leave them out, man. Can't leave out the iPhone SE people. They need the topics on the website the most, you know? If you got an SE, you gotta browse on landscape mode. Nah, I don't think I'll go any further than an iPhone SE Q. How far can we go, you know? Like, do I want to support a dang Galaxy S8? I don't think so, right? Yeah, I guess I should. It's like the same. It's even worse than an iPhone SE. iPhone 4, old Nokia, nah. 360 width is pretty common in mobile. Man, alright. What's an old ass phone? iPhone 4 is too old. I guess I have an iPhone 8. iPhone 8 pixel width. 375 for the iPhone 8. And if you got an iPhone 8, let me see. Dang, 2017. That's not too long ago, is it? 8-year-old phone? You still running around with an 8-year-old phone? iPhone SE has made up about 5 to 8% of phone sales in the US in the past 2 years. Alright, I'll go down to 350 or 360 and then below that you're on your own, man. It'll support Netscape Navigator and Internet Explorer or whatever. Nah, we gotta draw the line somewhere. I was rocking an iPhone X until August. Man, iPhone X sounds decent to me. Never did me wrong, but the battery finally started showing its age. Yeah. Alright, here we go, man. We can't go 5XL. We're gonna hit them with the 4XL. $4XL is where I draw the line. And then, alright, now I see how everything's working. So now I actually want to modify this other LeetCode streamers thing to be smaller text. Wait, Bet Simp, what's happening? Pat rated the wrong person? How do you do that, man? Jim Jam Biscuit from YouTube. Sorry, I just saw your message. I'm pretty slow. You're gonna have today's date slightly bolder and different color than all the rest days? I don't know, that sounds too hard for me right now. But I'll consider it in the future. He forgot the underscore. Yeah. Man, I think I tried to sign up with the underscore originally. No, without the underscore. But somebody has that username. You got an iPhone 7? I don't believe you, Icy Black Deep. I don't believe you. $375. That's what I need, huh? Is Midnight Simon your Smurf account? Nah, come on now. Alright, we gotta fix this thing for mobile. So, other LeetCode streamers, let me fix that real quick. Right here. Should I give it 3XL? Let's see. Other LeetCode streamers. Did that change to small? With half. I'm gonna give this from... How do I give it more than half? Can I give it full? Let me try that. Alright, it's coming together. Are you on Tailwind 4 or 3? I don't even know. Also, what's happening, man? How do I check? Do I check a package JSON? 3.44, I suppose. Alright, what's I doing? We just made this full width, but it still looks a little wonky. Man, I forget where I was. The streamers, this file. Let me just close all the other files because I always get so lost, man. Wait, why not look up some big data on how many users use which phones? Nah, it ain't that serious, Q. It ain't that serious, man. Oh yeah, right here. Small. This is small, man? Oh wait. Try extra small. Alright, I'm gonna try extra small. Alright. I need that to not stick to the left, you know? Let me think. Maybe it should be not full. Maybe I hit them with the 3/4 or something. Yeah. Whatever. LGTM. MX Auto. Wait. Enrosis, how you doing, man? You want me to hit that MX Auto right there? Or take it out? I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, you think that looks extra small? Nah, you can read that on your phone. Alright, I'm gonna just hit them with the small. Alright, next. Maybe I should have these row, column, or whatever. Subscribers. Supporters board. The years right here. So what's the CSS? What is this CSS stuff, man? Oh, okay. So maybe I want this like... Let me think. This part? This part would need like flex. Which one is what? I can never remember. Flex column or flex row? Who knows? Call is up and down. All right, so I want column. I want like vertical, you know. So then I hit them. Do I need to also hit them with a flex like that? Oh yeah. But now it's crooked. How do I... What the hell, man? Who made it like that? Let me think. Is there like a margin left or a margin right or something on these things? How can I tell, man? Space? Maybe this thing? Oh, I don't want to erase it. Oh yeah, look at that, man. CSS, easy work. Has work been chill for you recently? In Rosis, I just finished like a pretty decent workload the last 2-3 weeks. I've been working hard. But this week, there's nothing super urgent going on. So you best believe it's been chill for me at least. But last week wasn't chill. 2 weeks ago definitely wasn't chill. And 3 weeks ago, it wasn't super chill either. And that was at the beginning of the new year, you know. So we had to hit the ground running this year. And then it sounds like it's not going to be too chill until maybe summer, end of summer. So we'll see. Alright. So when I say I'll support 360, yeah, I'll support up to a 360 phone. But anything below that, you're on your own, man. Alright, let me just check. Alright, next we got to do this algorithms page. Oh, this type racer page needs to be a little bit more slim. Oh my god. I have an idea, but I don't know how to implement it. So I'll just leave this alone. Ask DeepSeek. Wait, my idea? Maybe. Do you guys do cooldowns as a part of your agile or whatever? I've never had a company actually do it, though many have said they wanted to. Beardage, we don't do agile or anything. I guess we have OKRs. I don't know if that's like a system. But yeah, nothing is formal, man. Work just comes when it comes, and then everybody scrambles to get it done. And then when it's chill time, it's because we just did all of our work, and now we're waiting for more work to be planned. Or yeah, basically. And I don't know. There's no real system we operate on, at least in the last couple of years. Agile is a nice way to never get work done. I don't like chill time because it makes me feel unproductive. Yeah, I don't care about feeling unproductive because I know when it's not chill time, I'm out there and I'm putting up points on the board. So I just kind of chill without feeling guilty. You know, because I work harder than normal when it's crunch time. Do you have to do stand-ups? Yeah, we have weekly stand-up. Waterfall is the only way work seems to happen. Agile is a system of lies to ourselves. Yeah, I don't think I've ever worked in an agile system. Alright, real quick. So, I think I gotta reduce the size of my Type Racer Champs table. Or something. Because it's like overflowing, you know. Let me see what this is. Yeah, why does this have a padding, man? Padding X8. I gotta find out where that's from. Might be in the Type Racer. Right here, man. We don't want this. Alright, now we've fitted it in the dang 360 width. This is good enough if you got a dang iPhone 6 or whatever. Weekly stand-ups are nice. Daily ones are such a silly ritual. We have daily stand-ups when it's really, really crazy at work. Sometimes it's been like that, where we do temporary daily stand-ups for like a week or 2 weeks. When there's a lot of new information always coming out and new developments, and it's like being on the front lines, you know. But yeah, daily is too much usually, unless it's crazy. Flumsy, what's happening? Do you have a PM on your team? Yeah, I think we do. But I don't really interact with them too much. Well, we used to have a PM. And the PMs would always like bug me. Every day they'd ping me. Hey, update on your bug, update on this, update on that. Like, dang. I know I know I'm bad at updating, but not that bad, you know. I think that's my biggest weakness is like updating shit though. I kind of just tell the people around me and then I don't really leave too much of a paper trail. But that's bad. I'm working on that this year. Our stand-ups are basically just reporting for the PM. No, our stand-ups are really useful because there's a lot of things that go on that we need to know about in order to like effectively work. So our stand-ups, I'm paying attention and we're talking about problems with each other, and it's really good to talk about these things because there's always like edge cases that someone misses and somebody else has context about, you know. All right, let me do these topics things real quick. So it should be easy, right? Maybe we just want everything. So this would be flex row, but flex call otherwise, yeah? Whew, easy. None of that is what Agile wants a stand-up to be. Yeah, I've never worked with Agile, so is that the thing where you get points or whatever? Like you assign tasks and then you give them points and then you see how many you can do, and that's a sprint. I hear about it, but I don't really know. Doesn't matter, no one really works with Agile. These nuts are Agile. Mad Flash, what's happening, man? All right, so how the hell? All right, why? I'm trying to figure out why is my thing lopsided here, you know? Where's that coming from, man? Is it this justify center stuff? Who knows? Open the div. Oh, man. It's that. I see. Space. No. What is that from? Is that from the Space X32? Who put that there, man? Right here. I don't want that. Thank you, little Freezy. Alright, now maybe I need to make the font a little bit smaller. Maybe I'll change it so it's something easier to read. Wait, let me see how it looks regular first. Alright, things look normal for the most part. Things are looking normal, yeah. Great. We've done a lot today, man, and we still got an hour left. And we made everything responsive. Not bad. At first, I was worried because Lil Freezy was saying I got to do everything mobile first. But then it turns out it wasn't too bad. But there are just some key parts that I had to fix. So everything looked somewhat acceptable, you know. Alright, let me fix the topics thing. What am I trying to fix? I'm trying to fix the text. So I'll make this Yeah, I'll make this text from medium and up, I guess. Maybe this too, that fancy font. Man, I feel like this should not be. Maybe can I do like text class name? And I think all these class names are the same, right? No, they're different colors. No, I see. So this is the text header name. These headers can stay. The H1s, they can stay with that font. I meant to change the font of the regular stuff. But anyways, let me put this in a dang thing right here. So text header or section header class name. Regular text. Can I do that, man? Will that make things a little bit easier for me? I hope so. And then I just go like that. Oh wait. Yeah, right? Shit. What did I do? It's like that. Sorry, yeah. It's like that. And then I have to add this class name at the end. Maybe like so. All right, we're making progress. One day, this site is gonna be so sick, man. Looks dank. Thank you. One day it's gonna be even more dank. Can't wait. I got big plans for this dang website this year. Real big plans. Hopefully I can accomplish just half of those plans, you know. All right, let's see. Okay, regular text. That's what I need to change now. So where's the regular text at? Build problem HTML. Oh shit. Oh, it's right here. This thing right here, yeah? Maybe I'll just have this. Maybe I hit them with the lights. No, that's too big, man. Yeah, that's all right. That's all right. But this one needs some margin at the bottom between the regular. This is space Y10. I guess we should give this one a space Y10. No, not that one. What the hell, man? Space Y. Oh, I see. Maybe I just give this like a margin. Bottom MB10. Yeah, that looks all right. Yeah, that's it. We're done here, man. Should I deploy it? No, maybe all right. I want to make this text a little bit smaller. Test on prod. Yeah, push the prod. That's the only environment I got, man. You think I got dev environments here? There is only one environment. All right, let me make that year stuff a little bit smaller. So yeah, whatevs. LGTM, ship it. All right, what should we do next, man? Should I really ship it next? Should I commit all of this junk, whatever I did? Yeah, I should. What is this? Make everything responsive. That's what I did. What I do up here? Who knows what I did, man? I think this is the streamers. Nah, I'll figure this out after. All right, so I guess I will try and deploy this real quick to see how it looks, even though I already know how it looks. Wait, should I deploy it now, or should I work on some other stuff so I don't have to deploy again? What are some things? Oh yeah, some things I want to change. I want to change on my back end. I want to change some things on my back end. So whenever I'm, oh dang, when I'm fetching the most recent streamers, I think I just want to return them all. Right now I'm only returning the top 3 most recent, but there's a bug because I'm one of them. So whenever I go on, it counts me in as a 3, so it really only returns 2. So I'm going to modify that to just return a whole bunch instead of limit 3. So I'm just going to take off that limit, right? That's one thing I want to do for sure. Oh, another thing I want to do, maybe this has more to do with my data. So in the streamers category, I have this thing called active. I think I can infer active based on the last online thing. So I'm going to like deprecate this field. Why not remove myself? I need myself so I can know when I'm online, because when I'm online, this text is green. When I'm offline, it's white. So I'd like to keep myself in there to get my online status, you know? Oh yeah, I wanted to add the little online thing below my banner. Let me do that now before I mess with this database junk. I'm all over the place, man, but this is what real software, well, this is what real backyard software engineering looks like, man. We don't have tickets or Kanban boards. We don't have design docs or any of that other stuff, man. Backyard engineering. What was I doing? Where's my user story? Yeah, I don't even know what the hell a user story is, or user journey, whatever they're calling it. What's a design doc? I go purely off of vibes. Yeah. We don't have any dang what do you call it when the designer, we don't have any UX stuff, no Figmas, none of that junk either, man. We just freestyle with the CSS, kinda. You were adding that Flumsy. Thank you for keeping me on track, man, because I forgot what I was doing for a second. I was putting the dang online thing under my name when I'm online. So that's in the banner. This is why I need tickets? Yeah. I guess so. Vibe-driven developments? Man, that sounds a little suspicious, but I'll go with it. Anyways, online. So this is my big ass H1 thing. Can I just put like a paragraph text? Wait. Props.I'm online. So how do I, can I go like, how do I do it? Like this? Let me see. Do you think you'll still be in NYC in 2 to 3 years? I'm planning for it in Rosis. I'm planning for it, man. Wait, did that work? Oh, lordy. Is it working? I don't even know if this is working, man. Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm on my real website when I should be on my local host junk, man. I was wondering what the hell is going on, you know? Jesus. I don't know, I thought you loved San Francisco so much you might want to go back. Man, I'm not going to lie. I would go back. But they'd have to pay me a whole lot of money to go back. But I'm not against it. I'm not like absolutely no way. If I got like, I don't know, maybe I go back for double my money right now, which is like 600K. I'd go back. Maybe 600K and like a stable company that I'd want to really work for. Kind of past system staff's design, yeah, which means I'm not going back, man. Is it that much more to live there? It's not that much more to live there, but I just don't want to live there, so they're gonna have to pay me to go out there, man. All right. We need this P. All right, how do I get this to text align, text right, maybe? No, that ain't it. Man. CSS, how to make text align right in a Tailwind. Man, I hit them with text end maybe. These message effects are new. Dang, what the hell is that, Flumsy? Do you just pay money to do that? Arbit random user, how are you doing? Marquee tags were the bomb? So do you think you'll be down to study for staff system design? Nah. Oh, you missed my answer. Yeah, I'm not trying to get another job in Rosis. Like, if if my vision comes the way I see it with my life, this will be the last company I work for, you know, Google. I'd be down to stay at this company for another 3 years while I just try and do my own thing on the side. And then I guess if I can't hit my goals or can't be self-sufficient in 3 years, then maybe I'll start trying to climb the ladder at work, trying to like grind that corporate ladder. But for now, I think I'm trying to grind my own path, you know. But I'm not grinding too hard. That's the issue right now. But I'm trying to like make incremental progress, you know. I want to join you again at Google someday. Oh yeah? We can eat from the grill every day. That's living the life, BetSimp. But who knows how long it's gonna last. Retiring from that money you made from Hawk to a coin? Nah, come on, little Freezy. I don't got coins like that. Unfortunately, 600K I don't think you can't get without staff system design. Always gotta study, life is hard. Yeah. I mean, I don't know, man. You never know. You never really know what goes on out there. But yeah, what I was saying about that 600K is I just don't want to live in the Bay. So it would have to be crazy for my level to get some offers like that or something that would lead to that, you know. But they're going to have to... Basically, I'm not going to the Bay unless some extraordinary opportunity arises. Alright, so I'm trying to figure out how do I get this text to align, go right, man. Oh, maybe it's not, it's a P class, so how do you make that go right? How to make P paragraph HTML align right? Nah, none of that text stuff works. Maybe because it's not... Maybe this needs something up there. CSS is too hard for a scrub like me. Oh, wait, this isn't a... Flex, justify, item, center. Nah. Wait, how do I do that in a flex? Alright, I have an idea. I have a small idea, man. I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna put it in a div. I'm gonna give this div width full, maybe. Oh, that's too full, man. Man, this is hard work for real. All right, I got another idea. Where is all of this stuff? It's in this thing right here. No. Wait. I'm gonna try that. All right. Alright, this is for only big screen stuff. I love front end. All right. Well, it was just fun things, nothing serious work. Wait, what? I used to raw dog HTML back in the day. I see what you're saying. How do you make that static distortion effect? That's CSS. I just copied and pasted it from somewhere. I don't actually know how to do those things. So width half. And then yeah, so I guess we can do a width full here then. And then maybe I give it like a padding or something. Yeah, that looks alright. It doesn't look too good there. Alright, we gotta figure out some stuff. It's looking real bad. I don't like how I implemented this. Let me think about another way I could do this. You know. All right, I got something for you. Can I hit them with this? How do you do absolute positioning? Relative absolute positioning or whatever. Tailwind, relative. I don't even know. Can you do absolute? Relative. Which one is it? Absolute child. Static parent. Relative parent, absolute child. Maybe that's what I want. So I want this one to be like absolute. I don't know which one. I'm gonna put it here. Absolutes. And I want this one to be relative. What would that do? Who knows? That messed things up, man. That ain't what I'm trying to do, man. All right. All right. Jeez. I give up. I give up, man. Nah, I don't give up. I have an idea. I'm just gonna leave it in the middle. That's what I'm gonna do. Cause it looks alright in the middle, I guess. Maybe I'll put like these things. And then I'll change the text color to whatever this text color is. Maybe I'll make the font a bit smaller. Wait, what was the thing? Text SM, maybe? Alright. And then finally, maybe I'll give it a little Y margin. A bottom margin. BM. Margin bottom. MB. MB2. Yeah. There you go. We're done. But if I'm offline, it shouldn't even show up. Alright, what else do I want to do before we deploy this? Make sure it looks alright and everything. So We're only going down to 360 width. I'm not supporting anything below 360. LGTM, man. I suppose we could use some padding here. Alright, let me fix that up. So, where's that padding gonna be? Padding X. Instead of 8, I'll hit them with 2 for a regular. Oh, man. No, instead of padding, you know what? Instead of padding, I'm going to what am I gonna do? Padding. I just want to pad certain things like this. So I guess it wouldn't be a padding, it would just be margin left. And then the most wins will also get margin left. Let me see how that looks. Yeah, that's a little bit better. Oh, the average thing needs margin left too. Yeah, there we go. That looks a little bit cleaner. All right, what's next for me, man? I think we've done a lot today. We made great progress. In only a couple hours, we turned the whole site responsive. It's glitched out. Little Freezy fixed that glitch thing. Thank you very much. Oh, right. I was doing the other streamers thing. I think I already updated that in the back end though. Oh yeah, that's what I was gonna do. I was going to the streamers, yeah. So now we're expecting more than just 3 offline streamers. So let me fix some things where I'm not going to show people who haven't been on in over like 2 months or 3 months or something. I'll make up some date, maybe 30 days. Here we go, streamers. No, it's in my index. It's in my index because that's where I get all my data. So here's what I'm trying to do, man. Here's where I get the streamers stuff. And then I want to say if last online is all right. How do I do some math? Timestamp math. Let me ask ChatGPT to do this for me. Create a TypeScript function that will take 2 timestamps and return if the time between them is less than 30 days. Timestamps are just numbers. Yeah, man, it's just numbers, but I don't know how many, I don't know all that math. I don't want to think about all that math. "30 days in milliseconds." Should I just do it like this? Wait, how do I get date.now? Yes. So if it's not less than 30 days, then continue. Date? This is a date? Hold on. Did I put a date in for real? Bobby Blue wants to do a little type racer. And we will do that real soon. Is it really a date? All right, let's see. I gotta test this. Take your time. That is not a function, it says, man. Let me see if that works. Hold up. Alright, we gotta put some well, let me do the type racer first before I forget, man. Are y'all ready? Are you all ready for type racer? This is gonna be the last type racer of the evening. Gamble? Alright, I'll do a quick one. Don't defense here. Calling all don't defenses. Calling Q Ultimus. Sensible MND. How are you doing from YouTube? What is the DB file? The DB file is a SQLite file. You didn't add me for a previous win? Oh, don't defense. You are correct. 98 or something. All right, let me do that real quick. And then, you know what time it is. Time to do the type racer. 96. All right. Honorable. 96. Look at that. All right. Scammed? Who got scammed? Nobody got scammed. Anyways, we're about to hit this up real quick. So, catching up to Q real fast. Yeah, in no time you're gonna pass Q, man. Type racer. That's what we're. Oh, gambling. Let me create the. All right, so Q is here. Don't defense is here. Everybody's here. So it's gonna be me plus no condom Chris greater than or equal to Q and don't defense. Place your bets. You have 2 minutes to decide. Look how easy it was to add type racer champs to the website. Yeah, real simple, man. It's been real nice, actually. You want to bet opposite Q? No, you can't do that. All right, the bets are open. Place your bets. Who's going to win this type racer? Don't defense and Q Ultimus, or me and no condom Chris. And no condom Chris is probably the fastest typer in between the four of us, if you look at those stats, you can see no condom Chris, number 2 most championships of all time on this stream, and then Q coming in number 4, don't defense at number 5, and I'm 9th. So the 9th place and the 2nd place versus number 4 and number 5. That's what the bet is all about right now. So this is the racetrack. The first race is the warm-up. The second race is the championship round. And let's just send the Discord. All right, type racer time. Jesus Christ, what a long warm-up passage. It's long, man. It's really long. Man, that was too long. Q 116. Jeez. Six pack sexy 116. Don't defense 111. I would have lost that for sure. Good thing it was just a warm up. Hopefully, hopefully the real race isn't that crazy. All right, man. Here we go. This is the championship round, man. No joking around. I feel good. Oh, I feel real good. Jesus Christ, six pack sexy. What happened there, man? We lost incredibly bad. Yeah. But I think Don't Defense and Q did crazy numbers, both of them. At least I hit my triple digits. But man, no condom Chris. Crash and burn. Wait, who won that? Was it Don't Defense with the 117? Thank you for throwing. No condom Chris would never throw. No condom Chris has too much honor to do something so silly. Alright, Don't Defense 117 back-to-back championships. Don't Defense 117. Whew. Back to back. Wow. All right. What are we gonna do next? I don't even know. I guess I could deploy the site or work on whatever I was working on. Pay up? Wait. Oh, Jesus. Pay up. Flumsy, Clistar, no column Chris. Well, not no column Chris, man. You lost that, man. Flumsy, Clistar, and software tools. Sorry for your loss. No column Chris. I'm not so sorry. Jeez. Alright, let me see. Dang, don't defense. Rich Pinto Fool, Bobby Blue, Lil Freezy, Q Ultimus, big money. My heart goes through the roof on the real ones. Yeah, weak bet. Q is afraid of losing all his money now. He's so close to the $1 million, you know. He doesn't want to get any further. Alright, man. So this timestamp junk isn't working. So I was going to debug it, but maybe we'll leave that for another time. I don't really feel like dealing with it. Let me see. I guess I'll just do that real quick. And then I gotta go, man. Getting streamers. Wait, trying to get some streamers. Where the hell is that from? Oh, this. Oh, I'm on the back end. It should be in the front end. Here we go. Getting streamers. What the hell is that? 63? That ain't right. Last online timestamp. Oh, I'm putting the wrong thing. Hey, what the hell is last online though? Let's see. Uh-oh. Robo Dom. What's happening, man? How are you doing, Robo Dom? Wait, what? Clistar, what you talking about? I don't want you guys giving Q points, man. Come on now. Anyways. Let me see what's going on here. Oh, that number ain't right. That number is just a number. So, I think this is a date, but this is really a number, man. Anyways, we've been giving Q points even when we don't want to. What? Yeah, Q's been getting all your money without everyone trying to give him. Yeah, you could redeem Type Racer, that's for sure. Alright, so I think I'm gonna just ship it the way it is. I'm ready to get out of here, so let me start wrapping up. I guess that means building all these Docker images, but I gotta make the scripts to do all that stuff. So maybe, alright, maybe I'll make a script in this top level folder. It's gonna be called build Docker images script. Can we do some gambling? Nah, man, we ain't doing no gamble. Wait, what did I say we're gonna gamble? I said we're gonna gamble like the first contest of the month. Yeah, I forgot what my New Year's resolution was. So that means we'll roll dice. Yeah, we'll roll dice next contest day. Next weekend, we'll roll dice, man. Yeah, January doesn't count. Don't worry about that. All right, let me do all this stuff, man. So I gotta build my thing. I forget all the commands though, so I have to look them up here. Here it is. Build the image. How do you run these sh files? So it's Docker image name. This one is just Midnight Remix, I think, and it should be in this folder. Midnight Simon Remix 2. Is that how they do it? Let's see. I'm gonna just run this script and see how it works. Let me exit everything here. We don't got much time left. Wait, how do you run a script? Is that how you do it, man? Hold up. I don't know if that's how I do it. That's type that. All right. How to run a... What am I doing here? Cool sweater, thank you. PowerShell. Run a bash script from PowerShell. What? Well, I have to do it like this. Man, forget this script for today. I'm just gonna do it manually. You know what I'm saying? Or maybe I'll just copy the commands down and then run them. Oh, I don't have Docker running. Hold on. All right. I'm almost ready. I'm ready to get out of here. Trying to get it to run when you fire up the project. No, I'm just trying to run my script so it just builds all my Docker images and saves the tar files and uploads them to my server without me having to run the commands individually. But it's peak front-end development? What do you mean, man? All right, what's the next one? The next one is Midnight Hono. No, Midnight Simon Hono. And it's called Midnight Simon Backend. So I'll run that one next. And then I guess I should do the LeetCode online one. I forget what I called it though. LeetCode online checker maybe? Yeah, LeetCode online checker. And that's in LeetCode online. Alright, let me run that one real quick. Even though I didn't change the online checker, so I'm just trying to like have all the commands I need to run in that one thing. So now I need these things. But I guess, yeah, I guess I can just run them, huh? Right here. All right, here we go, man. We're almost ready. We're about to deploy this junk, and hopefully it just works, you know? But first I gotta save these dang tar images, and then I gotta hide my screen because I'm uploading to my server and you don't need to see that stuff, you know. I also need to log into my server real quick. And then I'm out of here. All right, now I do that. It's uploading. ETA 15 seconds. I don't know why the hell these things are so big, man. I wonder if I'm like leaving some junk files in there, or maybe it's copying the node modules as well, you know, so it's like hundreds of megabytes. I don't know. I feel like my tar files shouldn't be that big, but they are. It's like 400 megabytes, man. That doesn't sound normal, you know. Anyways, we'll figure that out another time though. What I have in those tar files, it's just the Docker images. I don't know anything about Docker though. Alright, next one's uploading. ETA 20 seconds. Ten seconds. All right, uploaded. So now I gotta go onto my server. I gotta load up loading the images onto my server now, and then I gotta restart the Docker compose stuff, and then I'll check to see if it looks good. Here we go. Rafa J chillin'. Welcome to the party, man. How you doing? Just in time to see what's popping out here, man. Am I a Docker fan? It's not bad. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I'd say I am a fan. It has streamlined things, but maybe it took a little bit. It took like a day for me to figure it out. 2 days maybe. All right, here we go. Oh, I didn't bring it up and down yet. Hold on. What's the command? Docker compose down. How did I learn Docker? Twitch chat taught me, mainly like Vertizoid and some other people. Docker compose up. All right, let's see. Ooh, look at that, man. Wait, that time thing didn't work though, man. Because we still got these 1969 ass people in the thing. Should I fix that real quick? Man. But everything looks like it worked. Everything else looks like it works. Wait, let me check on my phone. Let me look in this site on my phone, man. Is it bumping? It's alright. It's not terrible. It's not great. But it's all the information is there. So that's all that I can ask for, I think. It's my favorite year, 1969. What happened in 1969, man? Is that when we went to the moon? Hold on. I actually want to fix that before I sign off. But is it worth it? Should I fix it now? If I can fix it now, I'll fix it. 5 minutes. Let's see. Where would I look? I'm gonna look in. This is the streamers. So it's like it shouldn't. What the heck, man? Milliseconds in days. No, maybe we don't want milliseconds, man. Maybe it's seconds. Because... Alright, should I just send this the way it is? Alright, I'm gonna just rebuild and, you know, do it again. So I gotta build my front end. What's the next feature? LeetCode leaderboard. Next feature I'm thinking maybe I'm gonna try and do some user registration and stuff so that people can register for the website. And I'm thinking once people can register, then people can put their LeetCode username in there. And then we can work on a LeetCode leaderboard. But I really want user registration and then I'm gonna add some other things once I have that in there. But yeah. Anyways, we'll see. We'll see. So I just build that and then I gotta save this. What hosting service am I using? I have a dedicated server that I rent from a data center. I'm gonna have all your emails and sell them? Nah, man. Nah, I'm gonna probably have like register with Twitch or whatever, you know. Well, I guess it's the same size. Where are the unit tests? Man, we don't need unit tests, do we? Unit tests are for mature companies, man, not for companies that don't even exist, you know? Because what's the worst thing that could happen if there's a bug in production? Nothing, man. Nothing's gonna happen. I'm not losing money. Yeah, unit tests are not for backyard engineering. I've only done unit tests at one company. Yeah, me too. I've only done unit tests at one company. Ever. Never before that company. Anyways. I realized that was a joke, BetSimp. At least I hope it was. Hold up. All right, man. I'm about to reload the thing, and we'll see if that update fixes the stuff. Let's break out the Gmod. Man, I don't even know how they do front-end testing at work, or, you know, anything really. I spend like 80% of my time writing tests at work, I'd say. 80% of my coding time is writing tests. That's like a rough estimate. Oh, Rafa J. Chillen, thank you very much for the hydrates. Cheers. Can we rename variables when we see them on your site? No, man. Cannot do that. Alright, Docker compose up. Let's see if it works. Oh, look at that. It works. So it only shows recently active streamers now. It doesn't show the people who haven't been on in the last 30 days. That's it. That's all. That's all I got for you today, man. It is midnight, which means it's time for me to get out of here and play Path of Exile 2 for about 1 hour before I gotta go to bed because I got work tomorrow. Anyways, I'm gonna go find somebody to raid. It's been real and it's been fun, but it ain't been real fun. It hasn't been real fun here, man. It's been real fun for me. Who gonna raid, man? Brett was not on recently? Man, it says he was on. Should stream some Path of Exile 2? Nah. Is it 11 there? It is 12. It's midnight, man. Wait. Hit Snow and she gonna do LeetCode? I'll go raid Snowcone. Thanks. Is Snowcone and Pet beefing still? I don't think it's real beef. Anyways. Alright, here we go. We're about to raid Snowcone. And then I'm out of here, man. Thank you very much for tuning in, everybody. It's been fun. Web dev is not too bad. I think I'm making good progress. I'm getting stuff done. Hopefully by the end of like this year, the website will be real polished and has a lot of cool features. But right now, it's still very basic. Thursday LeetCode or still what? Thursday? I don't even stream on Thursday, man. Anyways, have a good night. Bobby Blue Robodom, see you later. Icy Black Deep, Software Tools, Little Freezy. See you next time. Thank you for tuning in, Little Freezy. It's been a long time, man. Flumsy, adios, amigo. I'll see you later. Pinto Fool, have a good night. Q Ultimus, adios. See you on Wednesday. And everybody on YouTube, see you later, YouTube. And all you people lurking out there, have a good night. We're about to go raid Snow Cone. Hopefully she's gonna do some LeetCode grind soon. But just put some pressure on her. Tell her we want LeetCode or something. I don't even know. Anyways, see y'all on Wednesday. I'm out of here.